guys, we're here with the Fowl Drake, my buddy Jake, and building some divers. We already shot one today. Jon and Todd are already out there. They actually banged up one merganser already, and yeah, I mean, they've got a shot at a couple others already too, and there's quite a bit of birds flying around, so our boy got us hooked up on a good spot, and hopefully we can keep blamming them. Well, me and Jake are driving around, picking up their birds. Good old Johnny boy killed the first one. Good old common merganser. Gotta love them. Give us a little bit of the rundown. What do we got going today?
Well, as you can see, actually, we got our guys sitting up, so it looks like they're going to shoot. But right now we're doing some diver hunting. Out on the Bay, Green Bay. There's buffaloes around, canvas back, golden eye, and we're looking to get some birds in the boat. As long as guys can shoot straight, not just like always.
All right, Jon just folded another one. Let's go get it. Well, we got ourselves another one, folks. That puts two on the shelf. We're gonna keep getting after it and see if we can kill some more here. Well, we officially made it. Shit. I think you did. I think you did. Jon stoned one dead on the left. He shot my bird. I would have had him on the sixth shot. Well, I seem to not know how to shoot, but we're gonna get around to it. I think by the 10th or 15th or 30th shot, I'll figure it out. But yeah, my boy, he's slugging them. He's slugging them left and right. So had a layup, an absolute layup that I biffed on. So, but yeah, no, we got a lot of birds flying around. The whole skyline this morning was just lit up with them. Missed a couple opportunities, but it's been good.
In the decoys, guys, in the decoys.
They're out a little ways. Hopefully they come in a little bit once they pull up together. Stoned them! Let's go, dude. I was hoping you'd see that one. Nice shot. Dude, one-handed. That is awesome. One heck of a shot from Johnny boy. I suck. Oh no. Oh no. I don't know what the heck. I really must be shooting blanks. Well, I got one. About time. I was gonna say, I thought I seen two there, but finally got a chance at one. Well, we did the old switcheroo, so now Todd, my good buddy Todd, is back out here with me, and Jon's gonna go sit back and relax and chill out on the boat, on the tender, and hopefully I figure out this shooting situation, because my God, I'm just wasting ammo. So you guys stick along, stay tuned. We got birds flying around. Ripping out. We just off one, but yeah, we're gonna pick this one up here and stone dead on that backside. Just like that. Another one down. Let's go, Jake. Oh my gosh, dude!
80 yards.
80 yards on a diver. Holy shit! This guy cannot miss. I swear, this guy is just out to kill. There's another one right there. Looks like Todd just struck again. Todd knocked one down this time. We're gonna go scoop it on up.